Hello, can you hear me? Can you see my screen now? So guys, welcome. I want you guys to see this is the dollar index. I want to do some technical analysis on this and to be able to tell us all about the price movements and where price is likely to move in the US currency. You know, we're speculating, you know, so we can, it's more like an assumption. Normally, the way we do an analysis, where we start from the year and time frame, and you can see that we've had a lot of drawings we already did before, so I'm going to erase everything. So we're going to start from the beginning. And, you guys are welcome to this channel. This is the FX Chieftains channel, where you can get premium forex content. Okay. So, as we normally would start off, we'd always do this for the previous year's highs and lows. This is all for technical analysis. This is how you trade. Now, we want to understand the trend. But fairly, we don't. What we can see is just a high and the low. So we can only be what? We only see this likely would be what? An uptrend. As we can see more of the bullish candles, it's created a low, rallied up, right? Support. That is the lowest point of price leg of the entire dollar index. As was a previous high, price has broken it. You will not see low down. So what is price doing? Is price coming lower or price is seeking higher? We don't know yet. This is going to be what's happening price. I'll do it. Yeah. Highs, lows, and opening price. As we always do. Then we move down to the monthly. See, story price is telling us now. Shows the high of previous year. This was the lowest point of view. You can see price is consolidating. Where is price trying to seek liquidity? Do we really know about that? This was what the double bottom. So giving us this push, indicating bullish momentum, breaking these highs. Breaking this high also. This was a relative equal high that gave birth to this push downwards. Now it has been broken, and you can see that price is on an uptrend. But we know that price always tries to what? Go back to the 50%, the golden zone. So let's search for it. Where do we see the 50%? It's currently has hit the 50%. Let's rallied up. No, but we know price can be right and can come down to these zones. That's breaking this low. So now there's a chance that price would seek lower point, which is what? 0.62% or the 0.7%. And we can clearly see that there are gaps there. These are areas that price has not mitigated yet. And like this 0.62 right now, then what do you think we can do? There are two things that are going to happen here. Price will likely do this, break below, right? Below this low, we test it and seek lower, then go back up. Or price will do this. Price will what? Come down here, use this other block right here, and what? Find it back up. So these are the two things we know price is likely to do. But how do we really understand this? How can we make ourselves, because we are being objective right now, because we don't know what price means. Nobody knows about the market. The market is always right. It's free to do whatever I want to do. We're only here to what? To be objective, to present ourselves, to take advantage of it. Knowing this is what we're seeking, that price will likely do. Sorry for that. The best we can do right now is this. Go down to the smaller time frame. Since we are day traders, to take advantage of this opportunity. You can see what this is: solid bearish candle, bearish momentum giving us a low right here, right? And if we are to follow that, what we did earlier, saying with our food levels, the price should what? Come down to that 0.62. So if we are to follow that, then we can equally say the price is coming down. Since price has reacted here, let's do the inverse of this. Then price should have, since it has given us a slope, should be expecting price to give us what? To mitigate this zone, you can see there's an open zone here. Rally back up around this zone and give us a push below. Now you can see how we are being really objective, right? And come down to this zone around here. The expectation that it will likely reject and give us what? All of this push upward. And by all of this indicates that price is moving upward. So now we're going to turn this right, so we don't get confused, because we're expecting price to do what. Now let's go to our other blocks. Let's use this rectangle, which is one of the tools we talked about. This is a very short block, because now you can see there's an imbalance right here. I want to use it to what? I want to assume that this imbalance, this zone that has not been mitigated will come and be mitigated in the future. That is why I'm going to put this right in. Saying whenever price reacts around the zone, I'm expecting it to sell downwards. Because what? If you look at the zone, truly it is what? It is around the golden zone, which is what? 0.6182, right? Whenever I see price around them, I'm expecting price to sell below, right? Since this is this and that is that, let's take this off, okay? This off too. Okay. Now, this is our expectations, right? And how can we take advantage of this? You can see the month of what May was bearish. All of this started from where? When in November, this other block was what's respected. You see this other block was respected and price has been rejecting below. So if this other block is being respected, it means price might be seeking downside liquidity and this low might be taken out. Because the previous month, if you look at it, it has taken out a lot of lows. Look at this low that has been taken out and was used as what? This low was taken out and was used as what? Support stone resistance, right? Also as an opening price. This low was also taken out. This previous low was taken out. I want us to see this. This previous low was taken out soon. And this is a recent month, August. August has not ended, so we cannot So now, this is also a low of a previous of the match has also been taken out. You can see. So where is the next low? This is the opening price of the previous year. I want us to write this. Previous year opening price. Okay, and that looked. So the price is seeking it. Price is seeking that zone. Let's adjust this. Is are we following? All right, that's good. Now we can say the price is seeking downside liquidity, and since price is seeking downside liquidity, then we should be looking for sell opportunities on the dollar index and buy opportunities on the peers, right? And which is good because currently you can see on Gbpusd we are looking for buy opportunities. That's given us this flat pattern that indicates that price is likely to go up in the future. And the dollar index has given us a sell pattern indicating that price is likely to what? Go lower. So now let's go to the daily. Or let's go to the weekly first. Let's go to the weekly. This is the previous week. It was completely bearish. Last week, it's bearish. This was the high. Highest point that price got to. And I would like us to write what's weekly high or VH. Let's get that closer. Weekly high. Also this the weekly low. Let's get that weekly low. Okay, it's red. Lock it. Remembering that this was a monthly low that has been taken out. Remember, ML. This is a monthly low that has been taken out. This is also a monthly low that has been taken out. ML. And this is what also a monthly low that has been taken out in the month of March. ML. It's not zoomed. All right, don't worry. The video is going to be on YouTube, and I'm going to explain it. Yes, it's going to be on YouTube, and you're going to get all the explanations in it. So this is a quickly low, and I just want you to understand and see the how we do technical analysis on the charts. You understand? So now, if this that means this candle was what on the monthly was bearish. You can see that price has was eating a deep. This was a bullish candle, but a bearish candle has eaten a deep. We go on the daily time frame, you see a bearish candle that's eating it so deep. Look at the bearish candle. So on the weekly, eating it so deep, even on the monthly, it's gonna be bearish. So which is telling us that price has rallied up and price is going to push back down. So now price has done this. Price has rejected around the zone. That sought this zone, and now price is rejected for some reason. Price wants to go back down. So now we are speculating and we're saying that this price has taken out all of these lows and has tapped this one in. Price will definitely still come back down. Understand? Same price will likely come down. Like the price is likely to come down, right? But let's delete this. Let's use something like this. Price came up. Price is up here. Price is likely to come down, break below, and what? Come to seek this zone. Let's turn this back to black. This is what we are saying that price is likely to do. And if price is going to do this here, it means price is going to do the opposite on the dollar index, on the peers, which means we should be expecting more of sales coming from this week. We're expecting sales because price has rallied up now, it has liquidated. Because if you look at this candle, there's a strong bearish movement around it. Price now has taken out the weekly low. Now we're expecting that price is likely to sell back down. And if price keeps selling here, it's going to keep buying here. Do you understand now? So if that is that, then let's see if we can see any pattern that can help us to confirm this. We can see that an M pattern, and an M pattern indicates what? Bearish movement, right? And not just that, this M pattern has what given us what? A lower low. You can see a lower low, retraced, lower low, price what? Lower low, price has come here. If you follow it and see it as a trend, you know that price is coming low, lower, 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 low. And there's a likely chance you can see like a little bit of head and shoulder right here. Likely chance price has broken this low. Likely chance that price is coming down to this opening price and seeking this zone. So before it can now decide to retrace back up. So I would speculate that I'm expecting a sell on dollar index. I'm expecting more buys based on all of these patterns. Yes, this is a downtrend, but it has what? Broken structure. Now price is seeking upside liquidity. This is a channel. I think I sent to you guys this thing, and this is why I traded it this way, because I wanted you guys to understand using a channel to trade. So I'm going to delete this now because I don't need it anymore. So this is a channel. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see it clearly now. There's a likely chance that price is what? Going to keep going higher in the future. And price is going to keep what? Seeking downside. Why price is going to keep what? Going higher. So let's analyze it. This is the chart for last week, and this is what we traded. And so I want us to do something. Let's do something like this, boys. Let's prepare for tomorrow's trade. So you already know the color coding: blue, blue, green, green, and a purple in different sections. So what we're expecting tomorrow, this is an uptrend. And in an uptrend, we already understand that whenever we have an uptrend, the price opens right, it rallies down, and rallies up, giving us a manipulation, then what comes up for the distribution when it closes, because this is what accumulation, manipulation, distribution, then the markets close. So tomorrow now, what are we expecting? Price has done this. Price has come down, broken, retested, and broken above the trend, giving us what's a high right here. You can call this zone the high of the previous week. Or let's just take it down to the weekly time frame so we can have an understanding of this. You can see that we're first in a strong bearish trend, a very strong one. You can see that, right? Now our price has liquidated. And this was the previous week's high. Let's turn that to green. And This is the previous week's low. All right. So now, since we know this, we are betting that price is going to what? Keep going higher because price has rejected this zone. It has broken out of this channel. So we expect price to go upward. So this is daily time frame. And since we know the highs and the lows now, use this as red. All right, then let's go down to the hourly chart where we can have our section. Um, I'll use this and I'll call this what? Weekly high, weekly high, and what? I'll call this what? Weekly low. See, that we're following the same concept we did on the highest time frame because price is fractal in nature. So whatever has happened uh, in the highest time frame can still happen in the lowest time frame. So now we're saying price is likely to what? Come above. What has price done? Let's check our peak level. Price was first bearish, right? And now price has broken this channel. And we're expecting that price will go higher. And let's break this. Let's take it from this highest point. Price has what has price done currently? Price has gone above the what 50% mark of this price leg. Are we going to see a drop just like we saw here? Price tested it. Are we going to see a run above it even more? Are we going to see a drop below it a little more? Then price will keep going. So now, but because of the concept I teach, we already know that when we have this, remember I said we are going to see a manipulation first, then we're going to see what the distribution above, right? Let me write it down. Yeah, this is open. See, accumulation gets, which is this. Then we can see, yes. Then we see the manipulation. Yes. Then we can now see the distribution on this distribution. This is the distribution. Then we can now see the market close right here. All right. So if we can see this, then we can now say, okay, if market is going to open and manipulate, that means market is likely to come back down below. Because now we can see, okay, it has taken out this fair value gap that was here, but there's also an imbalance right here, and there's an order block sitting right here. So there's a chance that this market is seeking this order block right here. Remember, everything we are saying, we're being objective. We are not saying we know what the market is going to do. We are saying, following this pattern, there's a chance the market might do this. This is an order block based on this. And we are saying price is likely to give us a run below, then a run above. Because we're expecting price to buy above this weekly high, but we don't know when it will happen. It could be on Friday, it could be during the CPI news on Wednesday. But regardless, we're expecting price to do something. So because of there's a CPI news coming out this week, so there might likely be a range and a lot of manipulations in the market, so price can seek liquidity in a certain spot. But regardless, we are here to wait to take advantage of the market, right? So let's have this. So this is likely what is going to happen. This is like what's going to happen soon. I'm going to put it here so it doesn't disrupt trades. And we're going to follow this pattern to take advantage of the market. Then at this peak level, I'm going to readjust it to this zone. So you could just stay here. And since price did not get to these zones, we're going to just reduce this. Keep this. So they don't distract us. because now this is our main target. We are targeting the price to come up here. And if you can look clearly, it is around the end of the channel, which means there's a chance that we are correct. And price is going to get to this zone, give us something a little bit above here, and watch sell back down. And this is going to earn us a whole lot of money if we get it right. If we get it right, it's going to earn us a whole lot of money. So this is as of now, this is today's date, 8th of August 22. I mean the 11th of August 2024. And this is what I think price is going to do, guys. This is what I feel price is going to do. British pounds. On the British pounds and the US dollar. And what? On the dollar index, I'm expecting a sell. We take this down to the 1 hour time frame. So if you use the same concept, we teach this is a sell. We first have a rally up, then a rally down. Remember, when it is in the bearish conditions, we have what? The open, stand, the run above, which is what's the manipulation, then the run below, which is the distribution, then what's the close. Yes. Understand? So if this is what price is going to do, then we should be seeing a run above this, maybe around this zone, then price will later sell back down. I think this is it, guys. This is what I feel price is going to do. Just set this up. Remember, there's still what fair value gap right here. So price might do something really crazy. Price might do anything so crazy. Just so that it can be right. So let's expect this code to be taken out soon. Let's expect a variable. Since price has taken out a lot of moves. All right, guys. So do you have any questions? Do you have any questions at the time? Charlotte, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? You can unmute your mic. I think it's having network issues, guys. So, and yeah. Hey, I think it's having network issues, guys. So this is what I feel price is gonna do, and let's see how it goes, guys. All right. See you guys later. Take care. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. So I'll see you guys later next time. Remember this is a channel, the FX shifting. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me, send me a DM or comments on the comment section, and I'll reply your messages. Thank you very much. Start.